I've seen the greatest minds of Generation X, Y, Z, and Millennials spin out into madness. The madness of conspiracies that left them reeling in confusion. So here's to those who think calmly outside the box. Here's to the wild women, men, and multidimensional androgyny, the Starseed, the artists, the misfits, the outcasts, the rebels. They always know how to bend the rules. See a line but not follow it. Notice the path but go a different way. See through the layers of darkness, control, manipulation, and confusion. You can knock them down from the pedestal, call them names, or maybe quote their genius. You sometimes glorify them or make fun of them, but what you cannot do is make them fall into place. These are the people who, once they break the common boundary, they mutate things, create a new path for others to follow behind. You might notice them as the freaks, but that's not what we see. We see the brilliance in them, because those dreamers who believe something needs to be different and demand to live uniquely as themselves rather than follow along are the ones who change the world. Here's to those misfits. We see your genius. Outcasts, artists, rebels, lightworkers, I am calling you. And for those of you who don't know, I'm asking you, are you a mutant too?